Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in the kitchen as you know, as usual, and we will be preparing a quick and easy breakfast recipe, and that is peanut, plantain and oatmeal porridge. So without any further ado, let's get right into the oil spices and ingredients. Okay, so here we have 1 cup raw peanuts, half cup rolled or old-fashioned oatmeal, 1 medium green plantain, 2 cups coconut milk, and of course our whisk with some water. So the whisk with the water is because it's porridge, so we'll always have to keep whisking in order for our porridge not to be burnt or stick to the pot bottom. And here we have 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and of course we're going to add salt to taste and some good old Jamaican nutmeg. Here we have our blender already cleaned and all of that, so we're going to go straight into adding our ingredients to the blender, and we're going to use our coconut milk, and we're going to start blending. Okay, so here we have 2 cups of fresh water, and while our mixture is being prepared, blended, we're going to go ahead and have this water come to a boil. You can blend your mixture to whatever texture of your desire or your choice. That's totally up to you. I like my peanut porridge with a little bit of crunch, not too smooth, not too crunchy. So we're going to go straight ahead and just give this a few more pulses and ensure that we still have a little crunch. Okay, so here we have our whisk close to our pot as possible, and we're going to go straight ahead and start moderately adding our mixture. Look at this. Nice and thick. We're going to get our stove on low flame, low to medium. Okay, so I went ahead and added an additional 2 cups of water to our blender just to get out that extra mixture, and we're going to mix that, whisk that together. Same time. You want to keep whisking that porridge to alleviate any lump or clumps forming, and to alleviate any burning or from that porridge, or that porridge from sticking to the surface of the pot, right? We're going in with some salt to taste. whisk that in. We're adding another 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. You can go right ahead and add some more coconut milk if you desire. We're going to add 1/4 cup cane sugar or any other sweetener as desired. Alright, so I've gone ahead and added some nutmeg, grated nutmeg, and we're going to just whisk that in and cover for, another 5 minutes, and then we're through. Delicious. Wow.